This one simple exercise has kept me in shape for over 15 years. It's low impact, builds insane stamina, and it's the only conditioning I've needed to stay ahead of 99% of people.
And no, it's not running.
But before I get into the amazing benefits of this exercise, we need to bust a few myths. Myth 1, people think it's hard on the body, but when done correctly, it's actually low impact and really good for your body. More on this later. Myth 2, people think you have to be coordinated. Coordination is a learned skill. Nobody is born an incredible athlete. You have a natural level of athleticism, but it can be improved. And myth 3, people think it will take too long to learn. Most beginners struggle to learn because they try to do it on their own. But if you know the key areas to focus on, you will learn much faster. The exercise I'm talking about is jump rope, and I have a free 10-day guide linked below that shows you exactly what to focus on so you can learn it fast. Now let's cover the superpowers of jump rope. Superpower 1, never get tired again. If your goal is to increase endurance, jump rope delivers fast. Even short sessions can leave you breathing hard, and over time that builds a stronger heart, lungs, and body. It's cardio without the boredom. Just 10 minutes can match the benefits of a 30-minute jog. Superpower 2, become the athlete you didn't know you were. Whether you jump at a basic flow or grow into more advanced options, jump rope trains more than just your muscles. It sharpens the skills that make athletes explosive and responsive. Your coordination improves as your hands and feet work in sync. You get faster, more agile, and quicker to react. Plus, the intensity of certain variations builds speed and lower body power. Perfect for sports, combat training, or just moving better overall. Whether you're a kid or someone in their 90s, you will benefit from adding jump rope to your training. Superpower 3, unlike high-impact exercises that can wear down your joints, jump rope delivers just the right amount of impact to stimulate bone growth. That means stronger bones and better long-term joint health, especially in your lower body. It's one of the safest, most effective ways to maintain bone density without the pounding of traditional running, when done correctly. The secret is jumping low. You only need to jump 1 to 2 inches high, making it easy to land softly by staying on the balls of your feet. If you want to get started, the rope you choose can make a big difference in learning. I have my favorite ropes linked down below to make it easy. Superpower 4, boosts your mental focus. Jumping rope isn't mindless. You have to stay locked in, watching your timing, rhythm, footwork, form, and technique. This builds mental discipline, sharpens focus, and strengthens your ability to stay present, not just in training, but in everyday life. Superpower 5, one of the most underrated benefits of jumping rope is how much you can grow with it. New tricks, new footwork, and new combinations. There's endless progression and creativity, always providing the option of some new ability to unlock. That sense of progress keeps training fun, engaging, and mentally rewarding. New win after win keeps you excited and coming back for more, and keeps every jump rope session just as fun as the last. But before you go trying to learn a bunch of skills and tricks, you need to build a good foundation of the basics, or you'll end up stuck and frustrated. I show you exactly what you need to know in my free 10-day guide linked below. Superpower 6, you don't need a gym, you don't need a big setup. With just a rope and a small space, you can train in your living room, garage, driveway, or even outside in the sun. Want to get fresh air? Jump outside. Nasty weather? Stay inside and still crush your workout. You're never stuck, and that freedom makes consistency easy. And in fitness, consistency is everything. Now you need to learn this. It's simple yet overlooked by beginners and will make getting started a whole lot easier.